Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about Moonday Finance and Moongold. Okay, so they're both pretty much they're linked together. The concept's not new, but the way they've done it is it's different, and I think that it's going to stop a lot of people from dumping. And that's why they've created this. Now, Moonday Capital came out 9 days ago, so that's been running. So I did see it. I didn't think anything of it. I just thought the website looks pretty crappy and it's just going to be another clone. But then when they brought Moongold out, this is when everything changed. I had a closer look at it, and then I realized, wow, this is something that could potentially turn very, very big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do an investment with it. Obviously, this is just my own test. It's not financial advice, but I just want to show you the process. And I'll probably do $100 or something just to test it. Now, Moongold is only new. It's only been out for about, I don't know, 8 hours. So by just using a small amount with a little risk, I can actually capitalize on this Moongold because it's only just launched. So anyway, this is basically how it works. You got this Moonday token. There's only 969 tokens. It's a 1% burn, and you exchange it for Ethereum. So the gateway into this whole, I guess, ecosystem that they're building out is through Uniswap, through Moonday. That's the only gateway, okay? And what you do is you buy it, and you can farm it, and then you can earn 7% per day, okay, just by doing that, that's pretty good. Now, then what happens is they've just launched this Moongold, and to feed into Moongold, which can make you earn more money, you have to use the Moonday token. And this is why I made this video, because I kind of understand how it works now, and the Moonday is just not a one-hit wonder. Here today, gone tomorrow. It's not. It's going to be around for a long time because of this Moongold. But just stick to the end of the video, and I'll show you something that's really going to get you even more excited. Again, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. It's just me doing a demo, okay, and explaining how this works. So then you can do further research if you want to get into it. So the Moongold, to get into the Moongold contract, it's 6% tax in and out, 10% of the 10% of it goes to the Moonday fund, and 5% to the devs. So the devs are not into this yet. They're going to come into it tomorrow. To farm this Moongold, you need Moonday. Okay, if that makes sense. So that's why it's increasing the Moonday. It's giving like Moonday, the original one, use case. Because now when people want to make more money, obviously everyone does, they're going to get into Moongold, and they're going to have to buy the Moonday or transfer some of their Moonday across. Because there's only a limited supply of 969, it's gonna make this moon. It's gonna Moonday. Literally, it's gonna Moonday. Okay, because it's such a short supply. Remember, you can't buy Moongold any other way except by Moonday. All right, so that's really important. So let's just go and buy some. Again, just stick to the end of the video and I'll show you something that's going to make you get excited about this. So this Moongold. So again, I'm just totally winging this whole video. So you obviously connect up your MetaMask. I'll just log in, and I've got about 150 there. So what I'll do is I need to now buy this Moonday. Okay, I need to buy, and also the gas prices are pretty low, so it kind of makes it in favor. Because I'm not using a lot, like I'm only coming in with like $100. Obviously, it makes sense to do it with low gas fee. But if you're going to come in with like several thousands, then the gas fee is not really going to impact as much. So then what you do is you just come in and go buy and sell tokens. So once you click on that tab, it's going to open up Uniswap. This is the only way into this whole ecosystem. So the price has dropped quite a bit, which is really good actually, because it's a good time to get in. Obviously people are selling, some of them are selling. So as of making this video, hopefully it'll drop a little bit more. So now that you come to this, you just want to come up here and click trade and then accept it. Okay, now I can buy it, swap my Ethereum, right? So you've got to swap your Ethereum for Moonday, obviously, because I haven't got any Moonday yet. So what I'll do is I'll just pause the video and watch this chart and see if it drops any further. I might be able to pick it up, and then I'll come back to you soon in a second. But first of all, before we do that, we want to get the contract address. Okay, because we want to add this token to our MetaMask because it's not going to show up. So I'll just get the contract address. What you do is you just go to this page, the page you opened up before, and just go to the top bar and you'll see the contract address. It'll say info.uniswap.org/token/ then it'll have the contract address. Then what you want to do is just open up your MetaMask, scroll down, click add token, custom token, and then just paste that in there. And it should come up. There it is, Moonday and add token. Okay, now I've got the token added. What I'll do is I'll just hang around for the next sort of 5 or 10 minutes. See if this drops a little bit more so I can get it a little bit cheaper. And we'll come back in a second. Okay, so the price has dropped a little bit. We'll just scroll down. We'll see that people are actually buying into this now. Ethereum for Moonday, Ethereum for Moonday. A couple of people cashed out. So I'm just going to go ahead and buy it now because you could be waiting around all day. So let's just take a note of the price. Okay, so when you do this, I'm buying it at 2,528. That's what I'm buying Moonday at. Okay, and Ethereum is 413. So you want to just write this on a notepad because then you know that once you start earning Moonday from the staking, and also once you start earning it from Moongold, you'll know, like if you sell it for a lot when it's higher, you're going to make profit. So it's good to note down the price. So we just go to Ethereum, and I'm going to buy 0. Oh, now I've got to have some Ethereum left for gas fee. So I can't buy too much. So Ethereum here, if I buy 100, 2.24, so that's probably what I'll do, about 2.5, 0.25. I'll just do 0. That's about a little bit over $100. I'm going to need some gas fee. Now what I'll do is, so I'll just go ahead and swap that. Now that you've that swap, confirm. Let's just see what the gas fee is. It shouldn't be that high. That's not too bad. It's only $2.61, which is pretty cool. So what I'll do is I will just wait till this goes through, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so that only took a couple of seconds, and we go here. There's my Moonday. So the Ethereum network must be not as clogged up today, which is good. So I've got 101. Okay, now I'll go here. Now I want to stake my Moonday, right? Because I just bought some from Uniswap. So I've got 0.415 Moonday, and that's what I'll stake. So I'll stake that, 0.5. Okay, so stake. Okay, there's a transaction fee of $7. This is to give permission first. So I think there might be another transaction after this, we'll see. Okay, so what you got to do is you got to wait. You have to wait for the second transaction to pop up. The first one will allow it, like the first one we did, will allow you to the smart contract to spend or initiate with your wallet, right? And the second transaction is the actual transfer. So I waited about 2 minutes, and you'll see it pop up, right? And your MetaMask, you'll see like a little blue button, little blue one next to it, and this will pop up. If you can't see it, it's underneath your existing browser. Okay, so now this is the one that will take it out of my wallet into Moon Finance website. So confirm that, it's $5. Okay, so now that I'm now staking this Moonday token, you can see here total stake and 1% burn as well. So you don't actually get the full amount. 1% of it gets burned. That's a total stake in there. Right, now, so now that I'm staking this, what will happen is once I start earning this coin from staking, then what I can do is I can go to the next one. Okay, so remember we talked about now we've got our Moonday. Now, once we earn this token of 7% per day, now we can use this 7% per day to get into Moongold. Okay. Now, obviously, if you had more, because you have to pay transaction fees, then the more you start off with, the better. And obviously, you're not going to transact $7 because you're probably going to burn that just in gas fees. So you would want to start with more. Okay, I'm just doing $100 just to show you how it works. So once you're in Moongold, just click on this tab that says Moongold, and then essentially you would buy this Moongold with Moonday. It'll show up here. Obviously, it's not showing up because I've just started staking it, but it'll show up. And then, whatever let's say if I had 1.001%, then what I would do is just go through the same process, right? I would just click on this. It'll probably give me 2 transactions like before, and then I would then be mining or staking Moongold. And then once I get my Moongold, then I would then be earning more Moongold. And then what you want to do is you want to sell your Moongold, right, for Moonday. See, it's got sell Moongold, put the amount in, and then you would sell it back to Moonday. And then once you got your Moonday, then you would just go to Uniswap again and sell your Moonday for Ethereum. And that's kind of how it kind of works. So what it's going to do, it's going to force the price of Moonday up because there's only 1,969 tokens. It's just going to keep on forcing this price up, and this is going to get higher and higher and higher because it's now got a use case. All right, if that makes sense. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't do the transaction with the Moongold, but it's exactly the same thing, right? Pretty much exactly the same thing what I did with Moonday, okay? Now, I said there was something extra, which is going to really multiply. And what they're going to do is they're going to have another token or another game. It's going to be they said it's going to be a game, and it's going to feed Moongold, and Moongold is feeding Moonday. So can you see how they're putting different layers? They're building like an ecosystem, or they're essentially gamifying this. And that's the reason why I made this video, is because by having these extra layers, it's incentivizing people not to dump. I mean, eventually, you're going to get these whales that will dump, but there's going to be more people hodling because they want to earn more money. So all the links will be below. You can also have a read of the Medium articles on it. Also, you can have a read of this article here. It's also got a step-by-step video by the guys and one of the owners. And this is also a good video to watch. He also goes through a different strategy and what to do. I'm trying to figure out how this could go wrong. What are the risks? And right now I can only see upside because it's very, very early. Now this Moongold, this is only like literally less than 24 hours. I think it's like 8 hours or 10 hours old. Not even there yet. So this is the best time to get in if you want to get in. And then later on they'll have this game. That's what they said. Okay, so that's my whole thing of it. Do not put anything that you can afford to lose. If you're desperate and you're going to pay your rent, do not go into this. Okay, let me know what your thoughts are. Comment below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.